Hi everyone. First of all, I apologize for the lighting. My room is not the greatest with lighting. I am going to start with what variation is in terms of evolution, and then I'm going to try and answer what variation is at every level of selectionism. I'm not entirely sure I have exact knowledge of that, but I will try based on my understandings from the reading. So variation in evolution is basically something that's out of the norm. It is a difference between species in the same group. So, a group of beetles could all be the same type of beetle, but they could vary in colors because of where they live. Their genes may have changed a little bit based on how they can camouflage into their surroundings to not get eaten. So variation can also it causes genetic differences. So in each individual level of selectionism, variation is key because as you go more in depth into each level of selectionism, it becomes more important. So it starts within the genes. So genes can vary. Like I said, the actual genes in a species can change to help them evolve and grow into species that can be more. We'll continue with the beetles example. The genes may change so that the beetles become smaller, so that they can hide more. Their cells may change, so it helps them diversify amongst themselves. The individual organisms, that's again talking about the colors. One can be green, one can be brown. They can be from the same species, but because of where they live or what they eat, it could change their colors. The species, variation could be as simple as one species being larger than the other species, and that the larger species ending up taking over the smaller species, and then the mean of the size of the beetles grows, and the beetles just get larger and larger and larger. I hope this answers the question. I know it's a little wordy and not exactly clear, so I apologize for that. I'm still trying to exactly figure this out. Hopefully some other videos will help me learn more. Thanks.